What's up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, y'all, in this video, your girl done upgraded, so make sure you stay tuned if you want to see my new natural hair studio and all of my new equipment to be filming. All right, guys, stay tuned and let's get into this video. All right, y'all, so like I said, I done upgraded my background in my studio. I have an extremely small space to work with, so if you are also a creator that has a small space, this video is going to be perfect for you. I'm going to take you on a tour of my studio, my little mini thing that I got going on today, and I'm also going to be showing you all the new equipment I got for my studio. So we're going to get into it, y'all. So let's go ahead. The very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a tour, and I'm going to show you the different scenes and the different setups that I have, and then we'll come back and I'll show you all of my new equipment, and I'll finally get into what's in store for you guys on this channel as well, and how it's going to help and benefit you and your hair growth. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into this video. Have some fairy lights going on in the background, and I also have a sheer curtain on top. I see this a lot on social media and I really love this look, so I kind of wanted to incorporate it in my studio as well. I literally can do all of my TikTok dances, but again, this wall is primarily going to be used for my Instagram videos. Let's move on to scene number 2. On YouTube, I try to focus on natural hair growth content. This is more so social proof that I've kind of am more experienced and been in the game for a while. I have a ton of hair products. What I'm telling you, I'm not just saying of a whim, and I'm saying this because I've actually went through the experience and I'm trying to help you guys. All right, guys, so let's take a look and see what type of products I have behind me in my stash. All right, y'all, so starting at the top, I mainly have these 6 blocks broken down by collection just because I have so many products from that particular brand. So the first one, of course, is Mael. Then we have one of my faves is Curl Days, and we also have the Curls collection as well. These 3 cubbies take up the main choice. In this cubby over here, we do have all of our shampoos. I do have the Momo's Natural Hair Really Rocks collection. I actually have some more products in the mail on the way, so this will become full in a few days once it arrives. Now, my next section, these were all gifted to me by Curlsmith. Definitely try out the Curlsmith products. And then next to them, I just have a little bit of my moisturizers and creams, and also down here as well, there's gels over here, edge control gels, there's butters over here. This is kind of just miscellaneous stuff. I have 5 deep conditioners that are not in like a huge mega collection like up there. I know there's deep conditioners up there, but like brands that I don't have a lot of products from, I only have like 5 deep conditioners. It's crazy. And then over here I have regular conditioners, and then in the last cubby on the left are my leave-ins. And then down there are all of my oils. I have tons of oils. And then I have more like miscellaneous things. I know this I used once or twice from Curly Proverbs, their mask. I have a bunch of just like random stuff. I think this is like fenugreek seeds because I did a fenugreek treatment not too long ago. So y'all, I just have a lot of stuff. Then I have some packages here for PR and just like different things that I want to do on social media. So it's a lot, y'all, but this is my tower, I should call it, of hair products and everything that I have. All right, guys, the last scene that I have set up in my natural hair studio is this blank white wall behind me. I am such a fan of just clean and crisp photos in a clean, aesthetically pleasing looking Instagram feed. So if I'm not using my fairy lights, then I will be using my white wall. But I just definitely need to have like just a white plain wall in the background. So if you guys can see stuff over there, it's because we're about to go over that next with my desk. And I just like to have a little bit of versatility. If I don't want the fairy lights, if I don't want the products in the background, I can certainly use the white wall. And this is what I mean by, if you have a small space, make sure you're utilizing every inch. You see how I kind of set up 3 different scenes in a very, very small room. So just know that if I can do it, you can do it too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour of my studio and how it's all set up. Now let's go ahead and hop into what I actually purchased so you guys can see better quality content. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start opening up some packages so you guys can see exactly what I got. These 3 packages over here, I actually don't remember how much this stuff cost, but like I said, I treated myself, and I'll go back on Amazon and tell you the total amount of how much I spent on all my equipment. Let's go ahead and open these bad boys up. And by the way, y'all, this is my old equipment. I have an old iPhone that I still actually use if I need it to use it like as a prop, or if I need it as a secondary camera. I do also have an old Apple Watch, y'all. My stuff is beat up. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Here is beat up. Here is beat up. Like, all my stuff is really beat up and old, but they still work and I still do use them. My boyfriend actually upgraded me. I now have the Apple Watch Series 7, and I am using the camera to see as the viewfinder. I also have a iPad here. This is the iPad Pro, and then it comes with the keyboard, and I also do have the pencil, and I even engraved the pencil as well. Y'all know me, Bambougie Aleia, had to upgrade that pencil. So I do use this to edit all of my content, and then I use these as like backup and secondary ones because I already upgraded. But that's some of my old equipment, so let's move on to what's new. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we're working with here, guys. I got all types of stuff in this bag. Here's the camera that I purchased. This is the Sony ZV-1, and this is my first time actually unboxing this as well. So I do need to set it up and kind of watch YouTube videos on how to use it, but I was really undecisive when it came to which camera I should purchase. And here is how the camera looks. So I was told that this is a really good camera because of the back portion. Apparently this comes off. And I believe you can also like flip it 360. So I just was a really big fan of that. But I do have a brand new camera, which I already smeared up with my hands. Go Aleia. But I am going to be playing around with this, and it did come with some other gadgets as well. So this is my brand new camera that I received for some high quality footage. And next, so this is what we're pulling out next, guys. Now this is the V-Mic D4 Duo Create Better Content. Y'all, this is a microphone. This is what I ordered as my microphone. Now the camera already comes with a microphone, but I was bambougie and I wanted a separate microphone. I'm going to see if I do like this. I'm going to test it out with the microphone originally installed on the camera, and I'll test it out with the mic attachment as well and see which one I like better. I may return this. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I did go ahead and purchase a separate microphone as well. It's a bit much, but I absolutely love it. And it is a dual mic, so if you put it on your phone, you can hear from this side and from this side, or you can turn off one or the other side, so just one side is picking up the sound. But this is perfect if you're doing like interviews and things of that nature, so both people can be heard when they're talking. So this is the reason why I purchased this mic. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Crane M2, compatible as like the gimbal. So here it is right here. This is for holding your camera, so if you're walking around outside and you just want a more steady shot. I do have my gimbal as well. So I'll show that to you guys. This is my gimbal, and this goes onto my cell phone. And this is also like a gimbal, but it's called the Crane M2. And this is going to go to the camera that I just purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out the packaging so you guys can see what it looks like. It looks so official, y'all. It looks really official. Ah, okay, so I'm not going to take this out. But that's cute. Actually, I'm just going to take this out. I want to see how heavy it is. Ooh, okay, so it definitely has a little bit more weight to it than my gimbal. Wow. I'm going to have to watch mad videos to see how to get this thing to work, y'all. What did I buy? So I have the gimbal and then I have the crane. I have both, y'all. I'm doing some major upgrades this year. Okay. So we're going to just put that back all nice and neat. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the WL1 additional wide angle lens for cameras. So this is how it looks. When I was doing my research online, I was told to buy this with the Sony because it's going to give your camera like a more of a wide angle lens. So again, if you are working in small spaces, it's okay to have a wide angle lens to just kind of look a little bit farther away from the background and just make it look a little bit more wide. So a little sturdy and stuck in there. So here is the camera lens. I think this is the... Look how pretty it is, guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Whoa. So that's my lens. This is a wide angle lens. All right, y'all, and last but not least are my lights. These are from Newer. All right, y'all, so I finally got it set up. These are my Newer lights and I love them. Look at the back, it looks so fancy. And I do have two. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one on so I can give you guys a demo of how bright these bad boys actually go. So you can see it's on 1% right now, but if I turn this knob, I can push it all the way up and just look at the brightness. That's at like 50%. It's really bright, guys. What? 100%. Crazy. Stupid bright. And then you can turn this knob over here to like adjust and play with the color. There it is. So a little bit more neutral, a little bit more blue, it's up to you. But as you can see, that thing's like lit all the way. If I turn it off, that's how non-lit it is compared to like my other lights. This thing is absolutely amazing and I'm really happy that I have two of them. Guys, this is just really exciting. Like my lights, y'all, I think it's probably my favorite thing besides my camera that I purchased. I'm really excited to just play around with it and just watch some YouTube videos on how to work all my new equipment. In this year to come, you guys are going to see so much hair growth content. I'm talking more DIYs, more tutorials, more product reviews. So make sure you guys just stay tuned to my channel. If you aren't already subscribed and you enjoyed today's content, you enjoyed seeing my natural hair studio, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see a lot more of it. And just stay tuned to my channel where we discuss tutorials, demos, chit chats, reviews. Child, I don't know, we be gossiping on here, everything. Make sure you guys are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I post. But guys, without further ado, I am gonna let you guys go. I really hope you enjoyed seeing all of my new equipment, guys, and my lights. Like we about to get this thumbnail popping. And I will see you guys back here for some more awesome videos. But guys, my name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces.